Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I'm going to share with you recipe of hot chocolate bomb. I'm going to share few tips and tricks to get the perfect hot chocolate bomb easily at home. So without any further ado, let's get started. To prepare hot chocolate bomb, here I have taken compound chocolate. This is approximately 1 cup in quantity, and I have taken here in the chips form. You can take the brick form, whatever available at home. Now I am going to melt it into the microwave for about 30 seconds. If you don't have microwave, you can use the double boiler method. Just take a pan and then boil the water and then put that chocolate bowl on top of that and melt the chocolate. Stir continuously until the chocolate became smooth, and you have seen this is how the chocolate is properly melted. Set this aside. To prepare the semi-spiral balls, we need this type of chocolate mold. This is the large chocolate mold. You can use the smaller one. For the large one, I am going to take 1 tablespoon of chocolate in each of the cavity. But if you add little more, that's okay. No need to worry. Fill all the chocolate molds, basically the semi-spiral mold, with the chocolate. And now take a small spoon or the brush and spread the chocolate, and you have to cover the full semi-spiral or the circle or the cavity with the chocolate. Make sure to cover each and every part, and I will show you the closure view. You have to be very gentle while spreading the chocolate into the cavity. Once you have spread the chocolate into the cavity, once you have spread it, clean the excess chocolate from the mold. And once you have cleaned the excess chocolate, now keep this into the refrigerator for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you have seen the first coat is properly dry, and now we have to coat this for the second layer with the help of chocolate. Basically, you have to concentrate on the edges of the mold. You have to apply the chocolate on a whole mold, but mainly you have to concentrate on the edges. So I am going to cover all the cavities with the chocolate. I will show you here the closure view so that you have an idea what I am talking about. And now you have to again place it for 2 minutes. After the third coat, the chocolate molds are completely set, as you have seen here. Now gently stretch it with a very light hand, because you know the chocolate is very delicate, so you have to handle it very gently while stretching it. And once it is loosened from the mold, as you have seen here, gently you have to stretch it from all the sides, and it will take little bit time, but you have to be patient at this step. Now you have to push it from the down and it will pop up very easily. You have seen, and this is the first semi-spiral ball is ready. Place it into the plate, and you have seen how perfect the edges are. These are not thin, and this is the another one. So you have to be very gentle, otherwise it will crack. And after removing all the semi-spiral balls, these are ready. Now to fill this, here I have taken some marshmallows. I will share the link in the description box of the marshmallow recipe, and this is the hot chocolate powder. So we are going to use the two things to fill the chocolate semi-spiral balls that we have prepared. Now take a plate and microwave it for 30 seconds, and now take a semi-spiral ball and roll it like so and remove it. In that way you can make the edges of the chocolate even and place it into the plate. Do the same with all the chocolates. Here I am making 4 hot chocolate bombs. So first I am going to even the edges of the 4 semi-spiral balls, and here I have even the edges of the 4 semi-spiral balls. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of hot chocolate powder into this semi-spiral ball. After that, I am going to add few pieces of vegan marshmallows. I will share the recipe in the description box. And this is the second one. If you are taking the smaller balls, you can add little less according to your choice. So I am going to fill 4 of the semi-spiral balls same way, and now I am going to show you how you can close it. Take the another ball, empty shell, and then just rotate it on the hot plate, and now place this on top of the another shell and gently press it. Hold it for couple of seconds, and with the help of finger just spread the melted chocolate, or you can add the other chocolate if you want to. And this is the hot chocolate bomb is ready. Place it into the cupcake liner, and this is a mark of my hand because my hand is pretty warm, that's why I am wearing the gloves here. Now take the second shell, and similar way take the filled shell and cover it so that it will be balanced. And now with the help of other fingers smooth out the edges, and if you feel if there is any gap, you can take the extra chocolate and then apply it. Similar way I am going to close rest of the chocolates balls. Here I have covered all the chocolate balls. These are the ready. You have seen perfectly done, but I am going to further decorate it so that you cannot see the covered part. I am going to use the white melted chocolate, but you can use any type of sprinklers or anything that you like. Just melt the white chocolate and then fill it into the cone and just make the lines as I am doing here. This is pretty easy to do. Similar way, draw all the lines using white chocolate on the other chocolate bombs, and these are pretty easy and very easy to make. You can gift these hot chocolate bombs to your friends and family members and amaze them. And nowadays the handmade things are very popular, so you can make these hot chocolate bombs easily at home. And this is ready. Isn't it look so yummy? Take a cup. I'm going to take one of the hot chocolate bomb and going to place inside the cup. After placing it, I'm going to take 1 cup of hot milk. Yes, you have to basically take the hot milk, because when you are adding the hot milk into this, the hot chocolate ball is popped up as you have seen here. All the marshmallows are up on the top, and this is the chocolate at the bottom. And this is your hot chocolate bomb recipe is ready. Winter time, this is a perfect hot chocolate drink you can easily make at home and enjoy with your friends and family. You have to keep in mind when you are preparing this, just melt the chocolate and then you have to spread it into the mold. Make sure the chocolate is not too hot when you are adding it into the sphere. And if you like this easy recipe of making hot chocolate bomb, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.